then I just have to buy more bags and put it down. But I just pull the leaves up, pull them to the edge of gravel here, make a pile, and he'll pick them up.
Okay.
And you can't hurt my shrubs and stuff that are in here. Because I just go in like that, you know. You get kind of mean with them, and then just slightly across the top. And we'll just make some piles out here that he'll pick up for us.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Sherry. Cool. Hey, do you mind if I move these rocks out of the way?
No, yeah, just leave the rock. Well, what I do is you just get, well, if you want to pull it a little ways and pull them, yeah. But just, it doesn't have to be real clean, because some leaves left in are good for mulching.
Oh, okay.
So I just try to get the worst at the top. But if you want, yeah, I don't care if you move them, but that might hurt your back.
I got a back brace.
All right, you do what seems good to you.
I can just, and that stuff, I'll blow that out of there.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah, I'll just blow it out of there.
All right. All right. Well, whatever, you know. Well, that looks very nice when things start flowering, but right now it's kind of
So those are the only shrubs you want cleaned out?
Nope. We're going to do these here, a little bit in here.
Good down, dog.
And a little bit over there. Now, excuse me.
It's okay.
This, we won't try to pull out there. What you do here, just kind of get them into here, make a pile, and Francis will come in here and pick them up. That way we don't have to pull them clear across.
Okay,
So,
I gotcha.
Yeah. Just
I see you got a rose bush.
I do. I have, these are all roses.
Awesome.
And I got all the leaves cleaned out of them last week.
Yeah.
Got them saved, and tonight I have to do with some daffodils coming up. And,
Good thing you don't have lilacs in your yard, because I'm allergic to it.
Are you really?
Makes me itch.
Never knew anybody allergic to lilac.
I am.
I have the forsythia bush right there that's getting ready to bloom.
Cool.
Would be blooming if it wasn't so cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just kind of make a pile out away from the shrubs, and you pick them up, and we'll look
I
for
got
them.
stuff.
Yeah, because there's another plant right there. See?
I see that.
And so I just scrape the leaves off of it, and I'll come back and prune them back in a little bit.
Yeah.
That's the salvia. So.
Cool. Great.